Hi guys, my name is Shai. Today I will uh, discuss about the ADA 54 centrifugal uh, clutch kit. That clutch kit is used to go pad Bigfoot, and this clutch kit is playing a very vital role to spin the spindle over the tire, and we are enjoying our ride. So guys, please uh, before the brief description, please you guys subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, then the further upcoming videos you guys can watch easily. Guys, this is a 54 centrifugal uh, clutch kit basically, and this kit is available ADA racing website. This clutch kit consists of two bearings. One bearing, you can see this is a outer bearing, and one bearing is called inner bearing. So guys, this clutch kit backside I show you, this is a basically clutch drum. When our clutch is rotated through the crankshaft, then clutch is engaged under this drum. So then the clutch is engaged under this drum, then spindle rotate fastly, then we enjoy our ride. So guys, sometime our ADA this centrifugal clutch kit have some problem. Sometimes the problems in the clutch ball, we need to change the clutch ball. Sometimes we have problem to the inner bearing or outer bearing. So with the passage of time, we need to change the both bearings as well. So this is a complete basically assembly of the ADA racing centrifugal clutch. So other side, guys, this is a my faulty centrifugal clutch kit. That kit have the problem is that was the front bearing that was seriously damaged. So I need to change the front bearing. That's why I will take out my both bearings. So I will try to insert new bearings. So that video can be help you guys how we can change the centrifugal clutch kit bearings or clutch bell. So guys, you can see this is a basically ADA racing clutch kit clutch bell, and that bell is available on the ADA racing website. You can see, and you can see this is a basically you can see this is a outer bearing of centrifugal clutch kit, and you can see this is a basically inner bearing of the centrifugal clutch kit. So both clutch bearings clutch kit bearings are available on ADA racing website or DDA racing website. So guys, how we can stop? So guys, make sure that is the ADA racing front side. That bearing is used the front side, and that is a ADA racing back side bearing. That bearing use this side. But please guys, you guys look my all the step to insert the inner bearing and outer bearing of ADA centrifugal clutch kit. So I will show you the properly that how we can insert or install the ADA racing inner bearing and outer bearing with the ADA drum or ADA clutch bell. So guys, I show you my all steps, so please watch carefully. It can help you guys, especially the guys who love the go pad Bigfoot. It can be helpful stuff. So guys, first we will insert the front bearing. That is a front bearing, you can see. We will insert the front bearing, the back side. You can see. Then I will tap by using the hammer properly and nicely. Not slowly I try to tap. So make sure the bearing should be going properly. So guys, we properly use the hammer and fix it properly until the front bearing will showing here, and that front must be touch on that position. So I try further. Slowly you use the hammer because do not need to fastly put the bearing, otherwise the bearing can be damaged. So guys, you can see that the front bearing I properly insert. You can see the position. Now you can see that is now is on the proper position here. You can see here. So now I will insert inner bearing. This is the inner bearing basically. You can see this is the inner bearing. Same procedure I will apply here. I will insert the inner bearing and properly I will tap it by using the hammer. Make sure that slowly you apply the hammer. So guys, after finish my job, I have done my ADA centrifugal clutch kit inner bearing. I have done, and then this is a snap ring that will protect the bearing and bearing alignment properly. So how can I insert the snap ring? By using the snap ring wrench. You can see this is a snap ring wrench using the way. Then I will try to insert it properly. Make sure you protect your eyes because it is a very dangerous hardware. So make sure that you properly insert. Make sure that properly you insert the snap ring. This is, I apply the force. Then I try to push inside. Then I push some force. Literally I try to insert inside. You can see that the snap ring is properly installed and properly fixed, and it have properly protect the inner bearing. Usually when the spindle rotate over the wheel, lot of friction forces will be applied. So because this snap ring is playing a vital role, it is possible that without this snap ring, the inner bearing come out, and it is possible that engine or the clutch or centrifugal clutch kit can be damaged. So that snap ring is playing a vital role to protect and to stop the both bearings push back. So you can see that snap ring I applied. Now this is the clutch ball or clutch drum. I insert. How can I insert the clutch drum or clutch ball? You can see the proper steps. Like that way, insert. You can see that spin properly. You can see that is proper spin. Then this is a protection, bell protection snap ring that will protect and fix properly the clutch bell. So this is a basically proper assembly that how we can replace the centrifugal clutch kit bearings, inner and outer bearing, and this is a proper step. So if you guys try to take out the bearings, you will first of all you will take out these snap rings. You can see this snap ring when you take out. Then you push this clutch ball, push this clutch ball out, take out this clutch ball. Then you will take out this snap ring. Then you will tape by using the hammer, and slowly you using the hammer, and until the both bearings will come out, you use the hammer. So this is a proper way that how we can replace the clutch bearings, centrifugal clutch bearings. So I hope guys that this video will be helpful you guys, especially if you have the ADA Racing centrifugal 54mm clutch kit, so you can change easily the inner bearing or outer bearing, because this video will be helpful you guys how we can use the steps and how we can remove the old one bearings and replace them with new bearings. So make sure that to protect your engine crankshaft, to protect your centrifugal clutch kit, you always replace the old bearings, because with the passage of the time, the bearings life is expired, and the mostly friction forces are occurred that are affect the RPM of engine. So that's why I hope that this video will be helpful you guys. Please guys subscribe my channel, share my videos, like my channel, and please below the comment section I need your advice. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.